How to delete a Netflix account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete a Netflix account. But before we get started, as always, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, in order to delete our Netflix account, it is very simple. Let's just say that you're not trying to cancel a premium membership, but you're trying to delete your account. But before you delete account as well, if you want to only cancel your membership, then you can watch our other video. But for today's video, I will only show you how you can delete it and not cancel your premium membership. So what we will do is we will just go ahead and then launch the Netflix app. Once you launch the Netflix app, you will be able to see that it will ask us to log into one of our profiles. Here you have to be careful and select the profile on which is the currently admin. So which means that if this profile is the admin of all these profiles, you have to simply go to that specific profile. As you can see, once you go to the profile, you will see this kind of interface. Now all you have to do is tap on the little profile button from the top right again. Once you tap on the profile button, you will see this kind of interface, and here you have to scroll and look for the option called accounts. Once you tap on accounts, here again you'll be able to see a bunch of various options on this list, and here you just need to scroll down to the bottom, select the option called delete account, as you can see at the very bottom. So just tap on it. As you tap on delete account, Netflix will ask you for a confirmation that whether or not you really want to delete your account. But before that, it will ask you to email a code to the email address which you've actually verified with on your Netflix account, or you can actually go ahead and then confirm your payment details of your debit, credit card, or whatever payment methods you've added and watching Netflix currently with, because this is done in order to verify that the person trying to delete account is the owner himself or not. Once you confirm the changes, it will ask you for a confirmation. You might as well need to enter your password in order to delete it, and that's all it takes to delete your Netflix account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.